All right, let's make this sandwich. So for this part of the sandwich, what I'm going to do is just cut up some banana peppers, sweat them down, and an onion, and then this is going to go on the hero. So let me put a little olive oil in here. Usually if I'm cooking peppers just to eat them like on a sandwich or something, I fry them whole because I like it that way. But this, for doing this, I'm going to cut them and then slice them. I'm leaving the onions in long pieces. A little salt. No crushed red pepper because I don't know if this is going to be hot or not. I'll use a little bit of black pepper. All right, let those sweat for a minute. Then I'll peel some garlic. All right, this is pretty soft. And I'm going to throw the garlic in and turn it off and just let the heat from the pan finish it off because I don't want it real mushy when I put it on the sandwich. All right, so what I got now is a big chunk of beef. And that was actually stew meat, I think a chuck roast or something. But what I'm doing is I'm pounding it down into thin pieces. And I'll cook it outside on the grill. So the only thing I'm going to do is put olive oil and black pepper. All right, look at that. They're resting. All that juice is coming out. These are going to be good. Look how good this cuts. Look at that. And that cut of beef isn't known for its tenderness, but when you do it like this and pound it out, real pink red on the inside, really good. First thing I'm going to do is pour that dripping on there. And some people might not like that, but that's okay. This is going to be a serious sandwich. That's a lot of meat. That's a lot of weight. All right, now the onions. But first, if you remember, I didn't put salt on it, so I want to put a little salt now. There's the peppers and onions done. All right, now the cheese. Boar's Head Chipotle Gouda. This is going to melt and taste really, really good. I bet you this sandwich weighs 3 pounds. All right, there is, I guess you could say, my version of a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. I don't know, an Italian Philly cheesesteak sandwich. I don't know what to call it, but it's a beauty. You ready? Holy, I did it. All right, my version, I guess, of an Italian Philly cheesesteak sandwich. All right, ready to give this one a go. That is one serious cheesesteak sandwich. Everything about it. Do your own beef. your own sausage. Your own peppers, onions. There you go. Philly cheesesteak sandwich from scratch.